Hi, I'm Sebastian Wieczorek and I am VP and Business Lead for SAP Data Intelligence. I am very excited to give you a quick preview of the openSAP course SAP Data Intelligence for Enterprise AI. In this course, you will learn how SAP Data Intelligence helps you to deliver data-driven innovation and intelligence across your enterprise, unifying scalable enterprise AI and information management. You can explore ready-to-consume applications and services and get inspired by exciting business use cases. And you will learn how to access, refine, orchestrate and govern data so that you can manage your training datasets and train your own models. The course is primarily aimed at data scientists, IT professionals, executive managers and solution consultants, but also for anyone interested in data science and innovation is also welcome. The course will be presented by Puntis Palazzolo, an experienced data scientist in the SAP Data Intelligence product management team. The course is a nutshell course and consists of 1 week of course content. It will be open for 5 weeks. You get access to all the learning content from the start and can do the course assignment anytime during this period. The learning effort is 4 to 6 hours in total. During the course, we invite you to join our online discussion forum. Here you can discuss all your questions, comments and ideas with other students, SAP experts and the instructor. If you pass the course assignment with 50% or more, you get a course certificate called Record of Achievement and a digital badge that you can share across your social networks. Enjoy SAP Data Intelligence for Enterprise AI. We look forward to meeting you in this openSAP course. Thank you.